In front of me is TCL 20 Pro 5G, and let me show you how to change the date and time on this device. So at first, let's open the settings, then find and select System, and click on Date and Time. And here, as you can see, you can either use automatic date and time, or you can turn it off. And now pick date and time manually by yourself. You can also turn off network provided time zone, and then choose the one from the list. So at first, just pick the region, and then time zone if available. So let me go back. And now you can also change the time format, so you can either use local default or use 24 or 12-hour format clock. So it's up to you, just pick the preferred option. And then whenever you'd like to go back to default values, just tap on automatic time zone, network provided, date time zone, and also default time format. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.